our apartment in Quito, Ecuador. This is the pride and joy of our place, this crazy floating staircase. I've been in meetings and people have been like, oh my god, look at the staircase. Yeah, it was pretty wild when we moved in too. This is Rehan's workstation. If you are a digital nomad trying to move to Quito, there's a lot of different things that you can do to like make your work situation better. So one thing that Rehan does is he has this like elevating thing that is better for it's good for ergonomic purposes. And then we also have this like chair cushion so that he's like comfortable when he works. And yeah, this is his whole desk setup. So this is where he works with the view of Quito. This is our fridge and our kitchen. This Airbnb was great because it came with like a lot of appliances and everything. So yeah, this is cool. It opens up like this. And this doubles as a drying rack too, so that's kind of cool. So we have storage here, we have storage here. We have our microwave, and then we have our Google Home to like play music, so that's what we use. Then we have some plants. This is our seating area. This is like where we kind of chill. Rehan works here sometimes, like he'll lie down and work. We don't really use this TV a lot, but it's here. Look at that. Now this is our other favorite place of the apartment, our balcony. So this door actually opens up the whole way. And this is our balcony. Okay, so this, I don't even know what they call it, but I've seen a lot of these in Quito. It's just kind of like a plant display, but it's really cool. And these are actually all real plants. So they have some kind of irrigation system that like helps keep it like this. And then this is where we eat lunch. So every day we'll just grab our lunch and then sit out here and enjoy the view of Quito while we're having lunch. So it's awesome. Okay, so let me explain the view. In my opinion, this is the best view in Quito because you can see all of the major like points of interest from our balcony. So of course in front of us we have the Pichincha Mountains. If you guys are looking to stay at this place, go on Airbnb and look up, I think it's called Dream Loft Quito.
The link in the description.
I'll put the link in the description because we're going to be leaving this place soon. So I hope that you guys get a chance to enjoy it. This is the overview one more time. Okay, so let me just show you a quick overview of upstairs. So let's go. So upstairs we again have these amazing windows. As soon as we wake up in the morning we see this beautiful view of Quito, which is really cool. The windows, like, you can obviously put down the curtains, but during the day we just like to have them up all the time because the view is amazing. So this is our bed, or right here, and we have these lights. And this is my side of the bed. It's cool you have these handy lights for sleeping. And this is a tub. Yeah, I know this is like very extra. We did not get this place just for the tub, it just happened to be here. But surprisingly, we have used it a few times. So yeah, it's a really nice, like, luxurious touch to your apartment. This is our sink area. And again, you have like handy lights right here. This is of storage space. And this is our upstairs bathroom. So this type of shower, what's it called? Rainfall shower. All I can say about this shower is that it's really awesome. It feels really good. So this is our upstairs bathroom. And there you have it. That is our apartment tour in Quito, Ecuador. If you are looking to become a digital nomad and stay here, you should definitely stay at this apartment. And if you can't find this place on Airbnb, if it's already booked up, you should definitely stay in this area. We're really close to Parque La Carolina, so it's a really awesome area. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tour. See you in the next video. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video.